भारत को सिफारती महाज पर एक और बड़ा धचका। वर्ल्ड बैंक के सदर ने कहा है कि सिंतास मुआहिदा मुअत्तल नहीं किया जा सकता। अजय बंगा ने वाजे किया कि कोई फरीक यकतरफा तौर पर मुआहिदा ख़त्म नहीं कर सकता। दोनों फरीकैन के इत्तेफाक से ही मुआहिदे का खात्मा मुमकिन है। उन्होंने कहा कि सिंतास मुआहिदे में वर्ल्ड बैंक का किरदार सहूलतकार का है।
The treaty is not suspended. It's technically called something in abeyance, is how the Indian government worded it. There is no provision in the treaty to allow for suspension, the way it was drawn up. It either needs to be gone or it needs to be replaced by another one. That requires the two countries to want to agree. The World Bank's role is basically that of a facilitator if they disagree, not by us making a decision, but by us being the party that goes through a process to find a neutral expert or an arbitrator court to settle it. And we have to pay the fees of those guys through a trust fund that was set up at the bank at the time of creation of the treaty. That's our role. We have no role to play beyond that. I haven't heard from either country yet about anything to do with the Indus Water Treaty. So that's exactly where it is. I know there's a lot of speculation in the media about how the World Bank will either fix it or not, or be approached or not. It's all bunk, because we don't have that role to play. And I wish you would help me tell the media that they should take a look at the treaty and realize that the treaty is a treaty between two sovereign nations, and they have to decide whether that's what they want to continue with. It's their decision, and so be it.